Today, we're taking one of the most beloved holiday side dishes and giving it the upgrade it deserves, a completely from scratch green bean casserole with zero canned soup and ingredients you can actually feel good about. If you've only ever had the classic version, made with the crunchy canned onions and condensed mushroom soup, this is going to be a totally different experience. We're building our own rich, creamy mushroom base using fresh green beans, real bone broth, and simple seasonings that make the whole dish taste and smell amazing, the way you always wished it would. And the best part, this version fits beautifully into almost any way of eating, including a low carb option, without losing that traditional holiday flavor everyone expects. So if you're ready for a fresh modern take on a true holiday classic, let's get started. You're watching The Healthy Skillet, the channel that creates healthy alternatives to save you money, review products, delete toxins, reimagine recipes, and share legal minutes to help coach your business towards success. Thanks for watching. And that's our fresh from scratch holiday green bean casserole, complete with homemade mushroom soup, no canned ingredients, and even a low-carb topping made with pork rinds instead of those crispy canned onions. If you want a dish that feels traditional but tastes brighter, fresher, and so much more flavorful, this is the one to bring to your holiday table. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and share it with anyone looking to upgrade their holiday menu.